welcome back to my channel. I have Scarlett here with me today. This is my daughter. She's 9. You might recognize her from our vlogs, but she was really wanting to see what was in this box and do this video with me today since they're home on school vacation all week. So I'm back with a Mickey's Mystery Box unboxing today, and Mickey's Mystery Box is a monthly subscription service, and inside this box are items that were once sold in the Disney parks, whether they are now or whether they've moved to the outlets. We can't always get to the Disney parks because we don't live anywhere near them, so it's just a little magic that arrives on our doorstep once a month. You can go in and order like a one-time box if you want to just try it out, but I have a subscription, so it just automatically reorders itself once a month. This is the fairest of them all box. It's like their medium-sized box. They have smaller ones and they have larger ones. This one with shipping comes out to about $62 a month to get to me, and then it just magically arrives at our doorstep and we get all kinds of goodies from the Disney parks delivered to us. So let's look inside. The cool thing about Mickey's Mystery Box is when you order, you can put in your likes and dislikes, your favorite characters, your favorite ride, your favorite Disney movie, things that you're hoping to get, and they will go out of their way to find things that you like. So if you like Peter Pan, they might go and look for some Peter Pan items. If you collect Disney pins, probably going to get a Disney pin. So if you like things like Disney stationery, you might expect like a pen in one of your boxes. One more thing before I get started, I did get some requests and questions if I had a P.O. box where if in case you wanted to send me like a letter or a card or whichever you like. I do have a P.O. box and I have put that information down below, so feel free to send me some mail if you wish and I will write back to you. Alright, so we are excited and we're going to dive into this box and see what we got. I'm going to let Scarlett open it and I'm going to try not to peek too bad. Okay, so the first thing that you'll see when you get your Mickey's Mystery Box is it's usually filled with these little blue confettis that I have to hide from my cat because he tries to eat them. So I see just like a little Mickey sticker. I love how they just pop that in. Usually they'll throw in like a park map or a sticker or like a trading card. I do see something that looks like it could be a mug, just because I recognize this packaging. Whatever it is, it's something breakable. So I'm going to actually put this to the side. So I put that thing that could be a mug to the side just because I'll save that for last because it seems kind of big and bulky and I love mugs, so I'll save that for last. But there's also like this bag in here. Alright, Scarlett, let's see what it is. Okay, so it looks like it's a Pirates of the Caribbean tote bag. It's nice and thick. It looks like feels like it's made with like a nice quality canvas, and I do use these a lot when we go grocery shopping. So at the bottom there it says Pirates of the Caribbean, and I'm excited for our next trip to see the Pirates of the Caribbean because I know they did like the whole refurb with the whole redhead scene. So I'm interested to see what that's like. There's nothing inside. It's just like a big bag, but it's like not your typical reusable grocery bag. It's like actually like thick and has like a snap closure here. And Scarlett's digging into the next item that we have, and okay, I like this because Haunted Mansion is my favorite ride, and I did put that I like pins and that I like Haunted Mansion. So this is a 4-pack of pins from the Haunted Mansion. So it's a 4-pack of pins and it looks like it retailed for $24.95. So the next item in this box is this Pluto pen, and I do love these pens. I do buy them every time we go to the parks. I have a few of them, and I actually already have this pen, but that's okay because you know, the ink doesn't last forever and I do use them. I don't see a price on them, but there usually is like a deal in the parks when you buy these, or at your resort. If you buy so many, it's a certain price. I want to say maybe they're like 3 for $20 something. I can't remember, but I do love Disney stationery and I do love Disney pens, so I'm happy with this even though I already have one. And this is the last thing that was in the box. I'm going to have Scarlett unwrap it. So it is a mug and it's a Pirates of the Caribbean mug. I don't have this mug. Trying to get this to focus for you here, but it says Pirates of the Caribbean on the front, and then on the back it has like a skull, and it also says Pirates of the Caribbean. And I definitely don't have any Pirates of the Caribbean mugs, so that's pretty cool. And it's not like your typical round rim, it's kind of like a square. I do collect Disney mugs, and I will definitely put this to good use. So I was just looking for the price of this Pirates of the Caribbean bag, and I noticed that this item actually comes from Shanghai Disney, which is pretty cool. And I did hear that some of their merchandise was making their way over to the Disney outlets here, and I can tell that because the price point there has a Y in front of it, which I think their currency is yens. So that's neat. I hope that they include some Shanghai Disney stuff if they can find it in my next box. I think that's pretty neat. I definitely want to go to Tokyo Disneyland if I ever get the guts to fly that far. But that's cool. I didn't realize that came from Shanghai. I have no idea what Y169. I don't know what that is in our currency here in America, but I do like this bag. I will say that this is probably not my favorite box that I've received. I will continue to keep my subscription going, but I guess it just wasn't my favorite box. If I had to pick, this is my favorite item because I love the Haunted Mansion, and I did put that I love the Haunted Mansion and that I collect pins, so I'm so happy that Mickey's Mystery Box listened and found something that I would absolutely love, and I will use everything. And if for any reason I don't use anything when I receive these boxes, I do keep those items aside and I save them for future giveaways, or I will send them to my clients when I send their gift packages before they travel. And Scarlett said that her favorite thing out of the box was this Pirates of the Caribbean mug, which I do think is pretty neat. And I actually don't have like any Pirates of the Caribbean merchandise, and this was my favorite ride when I was a kid, so I will definitely keep this, and I'm sure you will too, because she likes to drink like water and have like milk and cookies out of mugs. So if you want this, Scarlett, I will pass this mug over to you. So that's it for today. I will be back with my Mickey's Mystery Box next month. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I have more videos coming in the next few days, and I hope that you enjoyed, and we will see you guys real soon. Bye!